Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage login alerts on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can manage a login alerts on Instagram so that you'll know and you'll be notified when your Instagram is logged in. So today I am going to teach you on how you can manage login alerts on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. And once you are in your Instagram profile, tap on the three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, tap on this Settings and Privacy. And then in here, choose Account Center under your account. And then once you are in here, scroll down and you will see here Password and Security. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will see here Login Alerts under the Security Checks. Tap on this Login Alerts. And then in here, choose the account you want to manage. And then in here, you will see the Login Alerts. In here, in-app notifications. And also you will see here the email. If you turn this off, you won't be notified in-app notification. When you turn this on, you'll be notified in-app notifications. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage login alerts on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage login alerts on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.